Good morning everybody, welcome to Monday's phonics lesson. Hope you've all had a lovely weekend and are ready to learn some more phonics. So here we are on Monday's lesson. So we're going to reveal our phonemes and see if you know them all. Okay, so first of all, what is this one? It's okay. Next we have this is one we learned last week. It's qu. This one, g. And z. Okay. So getting really good at practicing, recognizing our graphemes. Okay, so we've got lots of tricky words now, haven't we? Before we had 6, we've got more because we learnt two tricky words last week. So first of all, what is this tricky word? Go. And this one? Into. And what is this one? I. This one? No. This one of our new tricky words, it's she. And one of our other new tricky words, he. And we have 2, and our last one is the. Brilliant. So now we're going to sing our ABC song. Okay, I'm going to point and I want you to sing with me, okay? Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? So, we're going to play a game of Odd One Out. We used to do this all the time in our phonics lessons, so I thought we would give it a go again. So, I want you to tell me what we have here. We have a yo-yo, and what's this? A yogurt. And what colour do we have here? Yellow. And this is a hat. Okay, so we've got yo-yo, yogurt, yellow and hat. I would like you to tell me which one of these is the odd one out. Which one starts with a different phoneme, okay? So 1, 2, 3, you tell me. A little sound effect there. So which one is it? It's the hat. Why is it the hat? Because hat begins with the phoneme, okay? And all of the others begin with the phoneme y, okay? Brilliant. So, we're going to learn a new phoneme today. So you might have seen these graphemes before, but when they are together like this, they make a new phoneme. And so remember, if we have 2 letters that make one sound, it's called a digraph, okay? So this is a new digraph phoneme that we are learning today. And it makes the sound shh. Okay, say it with me. Shh. You've probably heard this sound before. Shh. So this is the action that goes with the phoneme shh. Okay, practice with me. Shh. Okay, so all of these objects have got shh in it, okay? So we have a sheep. Can you hear that shh in the word sheep? And here we have a shoe. And here is a shark. And it's a, think about that shh phoneme, it's a ship. And here we have a fish. So think about the word fish. What's different about it? Because it doesn't begin with the phoneme sh, does it? Fish. It's got that phoneme at the end, fish. So you can have the phoneme sh at the beginning of a word or at the end of a word. Okay, so we're going to practice with our fingers writing the grapheme sh, okay? And it should be easy because we write the S and the H already for the S and the H phoneme, okay? So we should be really good at writing these already. So we start at the top bring it around and back that way again, and then down, up, arch over, down and flick. Okay, I want you to try with your finger one more time. Go around that way, back again, and then we'll go down, up, over, down and flick. Okay, so what I want you to do now is practice writing yourself the grapheme sh. Okay, so I'm going to show you with my pen and then it will be your turn. Okay, so first of all we start here and we bring it around, back the other way and sitting nicely on the line. Okay, and with the that goes with sh, the what's it called, the top of the grapheme starts right at the top, a bit higher than the S. Okay, and then it goes right down to touch the line, and you arch it over and then down and flick. Okay, one more. Nice and tall, stick. That's the word I was looking for, stick, and down and flick. Okay, so I want you to pause the video, have a good practice at writing the phoneme sh on your paper. Okay, so now we've learned how to write it, we've learned how to say it, now we're going to learn how to read that phoneme sh. Okay, my turn first and then it's going to be your turn. So my turn, I know that this only has one phoneme button because it's two letters but one sound, it's one phoneme. So we have 1, 2, 3 phonemes here in this word. We've got sh, and then we've got I, and then we have p. Okay, so I'm going to blend it together. Sh, I, p, sh, I, p, ship, ship. I think it says ship, and I was right, it does say ship. Okay, so now it's your turn. We have here 1, 2, 3 phonemes. We have, what's this one? It's sh. This one, e, and this one, o. So if you notice, we've got 2 digraphs in this word. So it looks like a really long word to read, but actually it's just 3 phonemes. Okay, so let's blend it together. I want you to say with me because it's your turn now. We've got sh, e, o. Okay, blend it together. Shell, shell. What does it say? Shell. Let's see. Shell. Yes, it is a shell. Well done. Brilliant. So now I'm going to segment. Okay, so we're going to hear all those phonemes so that we can write these words. Okay, I'm going to write with the phoneme sh. So this, my turn first, it's a shop. So, shop. I'm going to hear all of those phonemes in the word shop. So first of all, I can hear that sh, our new phoneme. Shop. I can hear oh. Shop. I can hear p at the end. Shop. Okay, now it's your turn. I'm going to write the word fish. Okay, so let's stretch it out and segment it. I want to hear all of those phonemes in the word fish. Okay, so first of all, fish. What's that first phoneme? It's f, isn't it? Fish. Fish. What's next? Fish. I. Fish. That final phoneme is sh. Fish. Brilliant. So now we're blended and segmented using our new phoneme sh. So now we're going to read this sentence. Okay, so some of these you might already know just by looking and practicing your keywords and using your blending skills. You might be able to read these already. So this word here, what's this? This is one of our tricky words. I. This one, a or a. So these ones you should know already, all the time. Some of you might know this one. Does anybody know this one? Maybe. If you don't know it, let's give it a blend. We've got g, ot, g, ot, got. we've got I got a. What does this say? Let's blend this one too. B, I, G. B, I, G. Big. Okay, so what could this word say? I've got a big. What's happening in this picture to help us think what this word could be? Let's work it out. So we have our new phoneme, sh, and we have, what's this phoneme here? Ah. And we have this phoneme here, which is k. Okay, so again, it's a really long word, but really it's just 3 phonemes that we need to blend. Okay, so we've got sh, ah, k. Okay, so blend with me. Sh, ah, k. Shock. What does it say? Shock. So now I'm going to say it all together. Okay, I want you to say it with me. I got a big shock. Okay, so what I would like you to do now, I would like you to write this word here. I want you to write the word shock. Okay, I'm going to put it on a red line so you know this is the word that we're going to be writing. Let's put it on a black line. So this is the word we need to write, shock. Okay, I'm going to show you again how we're going to write it. Okay, so with the, we need another line, don't we? Always have to make sure that we're writing on the line, so our graphemes look nice and straight. Okay, so and then shock. That's the word I would like you to write. And if you notice the stick on the kicking cup, they go right to the top, they go higher than all of the other letters. Okay, so I want you to have a go at that. Write that word shock, and if you've got lots of time and you want to give it a go, you can write the whole sentence if you want to as well, but I'm looking to make sure that we're really getting good at writing our new phoneme, our new grapheme, shh. Okay, so thank you for joining in Phonics today, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.